Alrighty, boys, don't know if this will ever get posted or not. We are on the way to maybe a pretty substantial addition to the channel. We'll see. After this weekend at War in the Woods, sort of started looking at possibly having some type of accommodation at the racetrack whenever we go on these long hauls. So found something somewhat local. We're going to see. Definitely a project, which may not be the most intelligent, but we'll see. Just so happens to be very close to my house. Probably, well, I'll be able to tell you, less than 10 minutes. So we're gonna check it out. Maybe see if we can make a deal on it and go from there. Alrighty. Guess what, boys? We struck a deal. I'll show you the unit. I need a name for it. Boys. It needs some tidying up. My wife is not going to be happy at first. I really need to make a good first impression, and I don't know how exactly to do that to the wife, but we've got to make a good first impression. First impression is crucial with my wife. I know that sounds funny, but hey, happy wife, happy life. We want to make sure that her and the other little one are going to be super comfortable and super happy in what we've got. So I'll show you guys what we're starting with, and y'all let me know. I need recommendations on upgrades, on things that we can do, and go from there, boys. This is a big one. This is a big one. I will say, I got a smoking deal, I think. Now, there's a chance it could blow up, do something crazy on me tomorrow, but we'll see. We got to figure out when the first time is that we're going to take it out, and let's see. So it's a whole ordeal. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you some videos. We're going to do a walk around, and somebody's going to come up with a name of this unit. Look at the mud on the bottom of my hat from work. That's crazy. Oh, snap. Y'all done seen my hair. All right, it's hot out here. So, all right, enough talking head. Let's get to the live action. Time, boys. She's here. Or we're here to get her. Let's check her out. We got ourselves a 1994 Holiday Rambler Imperial. This is actually when Harley Davidson owned Holiday. And so we got a little bit of stuff. We got to find a fender here. We're going to do new tires. This is the side radiator style. It's got everything else is in great shape. We got to fix this window. And we do just have the old, wish we had the Alcoas, but we don't. Check out this front end, boys. I mean, would you look at it? Would you look at it? I mean, it is sick. Owning propane generator, we got to get that thing fired up. It had been rebuilt, and they ran out of the propane, and so now it will fire off of like starting fluid. But I mean, sick. Everything else down on this way is good. Awning works. We got some pieces for it though. Did he go in? You inside of here? You in here? We got this one folds out. And so some things have been redone inside of here. We're going to end up redoing all the cabinets. This up here is a little soft area. This here folds out to a king size bed right here. And pretty sick. Fridge works. And we probably are going to redo some piping inside of here, because I saw something in here. And I'm a plumber by trade, so I looked in here, and that is Quest piping down there. So we're going to probably, before we even pressurize things up, I'll probably redo that. We'll end up taking some of this stuff off Mattress, there was some leaks and stuff. They actually have resealed the entire top. And so we got to get these mirrors, some of this stuff up out of the way. Check out this old TV. Sick. Oh, yeah.
1994.
Dude, freaking awesome. Actual porcelain pooper. But the floor's been redone in here. Ceiling, we got to put some trim up and probably paint the ceiling. It's probably what needs to be done. And get rid of some of this stuff. Little things. Just little things. So, you know, she's dated, but floors are redone. Heck yeah, we're about to fire her up and drive her to the shop. All right, boys. We got her. Yes, those are defrosting things. I don't know what you want to call them. Heck yeah. All right. See what we can do here. Guys, so we now have an RV, which is pretty wild. Let me know if you guys have, like I've said before, any recommendations, anything like that, anything to do, not to do. We are going to try to get that LP generator fired up. We are supposedly full of LP in there, and so going to try to get that thing. It does run off of brake clean. I did figure that out, and so I'd love to do that. You know, the thing drives and starts up great. I'm pretty excited about it, honestly. Gonna get a big enough generator to run everything inside of it, or some way to hook up and see exactly what we can, what is all exactly perfectly running. You know, we've been told, but sometimes, which I will say, the guy was extremely honest with me about absolutely everything. I'm talking down to little rips and tears and stuff like that. So, yeah, I am pretty excited about it. Our debut, I think, for that will probably be Killer Street at Elk Creek on the 28th. I've got some other things going on up until that time, and so the racing is going to be paused for the next couple of weeks, unfortunately. That's just how life goes. We're going to be out of town. My little girl has dance recital coming up, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. So real quick, I just want to talk about War in the Woods. One of the best times that I have ever had with one of the worst appearances in a first round at any racetrack ever. The community and the people that I got to speak with, getting prayed with and prayed for, and meeting new people and friends and getting to talk with people, learn different things. Got to talk with Ryan and Megan Mitchell, and you know, hanging out with Ken and I think it's Ashley with Drag or Die, Corey, of course, Bradley Butler, the new owner of the Lunatic, previously the bank robber car, just awesome, awesome people. So I love, I mean, the racetrack is just awesome. The fellowship was awesome. Got to talk with Jason Trell with 10 Soldiers and expressed to him how appreciative I was. Having two things like Christ and drag racing come together in such a large way, just amazing, just absolutely awesome. I had an amazing time, and I'm pretty excited for the rest of the season. There's a lot of racing still to do. This next 2 weeks, I've also got some things in the works, and I want to make sure that it's going to happen before I tell you guys on video. Nothing crazy, just something with the car. And so, yeah, next video, we're going to be watching. You'll be watching me. We will be working, hopefully, on the two-door a little bit. I am on call for work. I cannot take off. And there's a lot of rain anyways, thankfully. We're not going to be missing a whole lot, but would much rather be racing this weekend. But this season's been a weird one. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the